Alright, I want to talk quickly about how we complete the square. This was some confusion in class, so let's just clean this up really quickly. So, let me come up with just an example problem. Let's say we have this. 0 equals 5x cubed minus 15x squared plus, let's go with 8x, and let's go with 24, and I'm going to make this a negative. Why are you not going away? I'm not sure why that's not erasing. That's a negative. So here we go. We're going to factor by grouping. So we're going to sort the first pair together and the second pair together. Go ahead and factor what you can out of each pair. So a 5 and a 5 can come out. An x squared can come out. And you're left with x minus 3 plus, what can we pull out? We can pull an 8 out. What are we left with? X minus 3. All right, now here's the factor by grouping part. We're going to end up with 2 parentheses. One of them is whatever is the shared parentheses. X minus 3 becomes one of our final parentheses. The other parenthesis is comprised of the 2 items not in the parentheses. So in this parentheses we have 5x squared plus 8. And that would be factored by grouping. Now there may be some more things that you have to do in problems, but the factoring by grouping part just gets us to this point. So let me go ahead and put one more example up here. Let's say we have a problem like this. Alright, so we're going to factor 2 groups. Now here's where we need to be careful about putting parentheses around things. Since we're going to put a parentheses around our last group, this negative is now distributing in. So in order to end up with what we originally had of minus 6x plus 18, we want the 18 to be positive. We need to switch this to a negative so that we get negative times a negative back to positive 18. Important step. Let's go ahead and factor out what we can. 4x squared, x minus 3, minus, we can factor out a 6. We're left with x minus 3. Our final answer here, not our final answer, but the final step in the factoring by grouping would be 4x squared minus 6 and x minus 3.